Want to achieve financial freedom before you turn 20? It might sound crazy, but it's totally doable. Discover the wealth secrets that most people don't learn until it's too late. In this video, we'll be sharing the most effective tactics and mindset shifts that can help you build wealth from a young age. From investing and saving to entrepreneurship and personal development, we'll cover it all. So, what are you waiting for? Watch until the end to learn how to get rich before 20 and start building the life you've always dreamed of. Let's talk about investing, one of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal. The magic of investing is something called compound interest. It's like a snowball effect on your money. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even if you can only invest a small amount right now, like $50 a month, that money has the potential to grow significantly over time. Over 30 years, that small, consistent investment could turn into over $78,000. That's the power of compound interest. Now let's talk about saving. It's one of the most important financial habits you can develop. The key is to make saving a habit, something you do automatically, without even thinking about it. This way, it becomes a natural part of your financial routine. One of the best ways to do this is to pay yourself first. This means prioritizing your savings before any other expenses. As soon as you get paid, put a portion of that money directly into a savings account before you even have a chance to spend it. This ensures that your savings grow consistently. Even if you can only swing 5% or 10% right now, that's still a great start. Over time, you can increase this percentage as your financial situation improves. The important thing is to be consistent and gradually increase that percentage over time. Consistency is key to building a substantial savings. Instead of letting it sit in a traditional savings account earning next to nothing, consider a high-yield savings account. This way, your money works harder for you, earning more interest over time. Chapter 3. Entrepreneurship. Be your own boss. Being an entrepreneur is all about creating your own opportunities, being your own boss, and building something from the ground up. Just think about it. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and pursue your passions. Plus, the earning potential is limitless. Some of the most successful entrepreneurs out there started when they were teenagers or even younger. What matters most is having a great idea, a willingness to work hard, and a relentless drive to succeed. Chapter 4. Personal development. Invest in yourself. Building wealth isn't just about money. It's about creating a foundation that supports your growth and success in all areas of life. It's also about building yourself up, expanding your knowledge, and developing the right mindset. This means constantly seeking out new information and experiences that challenge you. Think of it this way: your mind is like a muscle. Just as you would exercise your body to keep it fit and strong, you need to exercise your mind. The more you challenge it, the stronger it gets. Engaging in activities that push your mental boundaries can lead to significant personal growth. And the stronger your mind is, the better equipped you'll be to handle the challenges and opportunities that come with building wealth. A resilient mind can navigate the ups and downs of any journey. Reading books is one of the best ways to gain new knowledge and perspectives. Books can open doors to new ideas and ways of thinking that you might not have considered before. Courses and workshops are another great way to learn from experts in their field. These structured learning environments can provide you with the tools and insights needed to excel. And of course, we can't forget about mentors. Mentors can offer guidance, support, and wisdom that can be crucial to your development. Finding a mentor in an area you're passionate about is invaluable. They can help you navigate your path and avoid common pitfalls. Remember, the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become, and the more opportunities will open up for you. Your personal development is the key to unlocking your full potential. Chapter 5. Networking. Surround yourself with success. Your network is your net worth. The connections you make can open doors to new opportunities, provide valuable insights, and offer support when you need it most. The people you surround yourself with can have a huge impact on your success. They can influence your mindset, your habits, and even your level of ambition. If you're constantly surrounded by people who are negative, unambitious, and stuck in a rut, it's going to be tough to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Their lack of drive can be contagious, pulling you down with them. But if you surround yourself with positive, driven, and successful people, their energy and ambition will rub off on you. You'll find yourself more inspired and ready to tackle challenges head-on. They'll challenge you to think differently, push you to be your best self, and connect you with opportunities you might never have found on your own. Their guidance can be invaluable in navigating your career path. So, how do you build a strong network? It's not just about collecting business cards or adding connections on LinkedIn. Well, it starts by putting yourself out there and connecting with people who inspire you. Go to industry events, join online communities, and be active in spaces where like-minded individuals gather. Reach out to people you admire. Don't hesitate to send that email or introduce yourself at a conference. You never know where a simple conversation might lead. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations, ask questions, and show genuine interest in others' work. This can lead to meaningful exchanges and lasting connections. Share your own ideas and be open to feedback. Collaboration often sparks innovation and can lead to exciting new projects. Remember, networking is all about building genuine relationships. It's not just about what others can do for you, but also what you can offer in return. Be authentic, be supportive, and success will follow. So there you have it. Those are the wealth secrets that can help you get rich before 20. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a sprint. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your financial future transform. The key is to be consistent, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and strategies to achieve financial freedom. And be sure to share this video with anyone who needs to hear these wealth secrets.